Hi everyone, it's Arts from Man Carbonate, Dan as well.
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna start on a kitchen now. We're the same place where we did wardrobes. So basically what we need to do, because kitchen will be like straight line design, so these ceilings are out by a lot, so we're gonna do MF ceiling here the way we did it, with the thin metal which is used to line the walls, just to keep it as tight as possible. So that's our first job, and then we're gonna finish some drawers which we started before we left a couple of weeks ago to do other job. But yeah, we'll get this done, then we'll plaster it, and then we can start thinking about laying out kitchen and stuff. Check if any changes happening, because we got a feature wall to make here, walnut and that, up to the wall which can be extended here, so customer will see if they're happy with how it's gonna look, and if they are, then we will have a walnut feature wall here, and also end panels will be in walnut to complement that, and then half of it will be painted, like door fronts and drawer fronts will be painted. So I hope you enjoy this, and we'll catch you in the next video. Hi everyone, it's Art from Man. Just an update on the job. So we're leveling ceilings, and I just wanted to show you something. Sometimes you're gonna come across where your brackets are too short. So what we have done, we've doubled them up. But what you need to do, these holes are too big, and the screws we got, or you get with the system, they're too small to bond through them holes. So what we had to do, we drilled through to join two together, and it's solid, so that's how you can get around the problem. Usually if it's a sort of newish build, you'll be alright, but with these older houses, you can see it jumps up and down, and the low point is that beam there, so we had to bring it down, everything, just to get past that. Yeah, that's how we got over that problem. So hope you're enjoying it, hope it helps someone, and we'll catch up in the next video. Hi everyone, it's Ars from Man. Just a quick update. I'm starting some shelves which have been requested by the customer. There'll be floating shelves. We'll be using shelf press like that. Then we'll be plastering the ceiling there. So yeah, we're getting to the stage where we're gonna start kitchen, but at the moment we're just preparing really. Ceiling will be done today, so that can dry. And materials coming on Friday, so we can start making measurements and cuts and everything like that. And yeah, we'll go from there. Hope you're enjoying, and we'll catch up with you soon.